Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to discuss with you some important questions based on W.B. Yeats' works. First question. The Lake Isle of Innisfree is a short poem written by whom? W.B. Yeats. A prayer for my daughter is written to his daughter as an advice. What is her name? And the setting of the poem, A Prayer for My Daughter. It's the tower. The tower. It was a setting for many of Yeats' poems. Yeats received a Nobel Prize for Literature in the year. It is 1923. He got Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1923. Dash is the first major poetry collection written by W.B. Yeats after receiving Nobel Prize. That is The Tower, and it is written in 1928. Who was the husband of Maud Gonne? You are familiar with Maud Gonne. You may be heard about Maud Gonne and stories. And the husband of Maud Gonne is John McBride. W.B. Yeats was associated with which literary movement? Irish Literary Revival movement. Celtic Twilight is the nickname of which movement? It is Irish Literary Revival. Next question. Sailing to Byzantium, Leda and Swan among the school children were included in which collection? It's included in The Tower, published in 1928. Dash is a volume of essays written by W.B. Yeats. The Celtic Twilight. Celtic Twilight. Which is the epic poem written by W.B. Yeats in the form of a dialogue between an aged Irish hero, Oisin. I will pronounce that. That is, it's Oisin. Oisin and St. Patrick. The Wanderings of Oisin. The Wanderings of Oisin. A Terrible Beauty is Born is from which poem of W.B. Yeats? It's taken from Easter 1916. You know, that word terrible beauty is born is repeated 3 times in that poem. Next famous lines. The falcon cannot hear the falconer. Things fall apart, the center cannot hold. These lines are taken from which poem? The Second Coming. It's taken from The Second Coming. The falcon cannot hear the falconer. Things fall apart, the center cannot hold. These are the lines taken from the poem The Second Coming. Next important question. Things Fall Apart is the title of a novel written by a Nigerian writer. And who is that writer? Chinua Achebe. You know, it was his first novel and his magnum opus. Magnum opus means masterpiece. Things Fall Apart. That lines is taken from Second Coming. The poem Second Coming. Things Fall Apart. Things Fall Apart. Who wrote introduction to Tagore's Gitanjali, or the Song of Offerings? It's W.B. Yeats. W.B. Yeats introduced Tagore in world literature. Who was Yeats' colleague and co-founder of Abbey Theatre? It's Isabella Augusta, or otherwise known as Lady Gregory. The next question. The Wild Swans at Goole was dedicated to whom? It was dedicated to Major Robert Gregory, and he was the son of Lady Gregory. In Memory of W.B. Yeats was written by W.H. Auden. W.H. Auden wrote In Memory of W.B. Yeats. And it is a famous elegy. The next question. Name the churchyard where Yeats was buried. Drumcliff was the place where Yeats was buried. The autobiographical novel written by W.B. Yeats, that is a Trembling of the Wheels. Trembling of the Wheels. The Trembling of the Wheels is a autobiographical novel written by W.B. Yeats. Okay, thank you.